You won't believe it. But this beautiful website was built completely with AI in just a few minutes, without any technical effort. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to create a similar site for your business. No technical skills are required. It's pure AI magic. To build this site, I'll use only ChatGPT and 10 web hosting. I'll leave my prompt in the comments so you can easily customize it for your needs or create a similar one. The prompt covers all the major sections any modern website needs. Hero section, About Us, Value Proposition, Company Mission, Delivery Information, Frequently Asked Questions, Customer Testimonials, Contact Data, and a privacy policy. All these templates will be created automatically with no boring work from you. Let's get started. First, go to 10web.com. It's one of today's top hosting providers offering simple AI website building tools. On the homepage, they'll ask you to describe your site. The more detailed your description, the better your result. Feel free to copy and adjust my prompt linked in the comments. After you submit the description, the AI will create a template, populate it with content, and generate related images. You can see the process happening in real time. Once the draft is ready, you'll be asked to create an account. You can use your corporate email or a Gmail address. After your account is created, 10web will deploy a dedicated WordPress instance and copy your new website into it. Next, choose a hosting plan. Prices vary depending on your country and promotions, but you can see an estimate on screen. I'm using their 7-day free trial. After setting up billing, you'll get access to your WordPress admin panel. At this point, I recommend changing your WordPress password and storing it securely. 10web will automatically install Elementor, one of the easiest and most flexible page editors for WordPress. After reviewing your site content, we need to connect a domain name. You have two options: claim a free domain or connect your own. For this demo, I'll link an existing domain. Open the Domains tab in the 10web dashboard. Click Add Domain and select Already Have a Domain. Enter your domain name. 10web will show you the DNS settings you need to update. In my case, I log into Namecheap. I go to the Domains tab, set Custom Name Servers, and paste the name servers provided by 10web. Click Apply and that's it. Domain changes can take from a few minutes to up to 2 days. Keep checking your 10web dashboard until the status changes to pointed. Once done, you can set your domain as primary. Finally, check your website in the browser. If everything is working, you can log into your WordPress dashboard and start making any changes you want. Congratulations! Your AI-built website is live. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.